Good morning, Garden 2 family. So what we're looking at right now is, yes, I have already started to overwinter, aka move the plants inside for my November chores. It turned winter in like a matter of days here, and I'm upset about it because I wanted more fall. But the cats are currently outside freezing their little butts off. I don't know why they want this way. Exhibit A. Hi, Laura, you good? Oh, Laura, you gotta let Peanut inside. Do you see what's happening right now? Come on, Peanut. Come on. Jump. Good job, girly. So, back to what we were talking about overwintering. So, wandering Jew over here. Then I propagated it. So I use like old juice bottles or like smoothie bottles and clean them out. Picked it off at a good spot where I saw some roots. Ooh, it's stuck to each other, so I'm not gonna pull it too far. And stuck it in some water. I will change this water out like probably weekly, if not bi-weekly, just so it doesn't get stagnant, because I realized that's why a lot of my propagations were not successful last year. This is the arrowhead vine. I'm gonna show you how long this thing is. This is not mine, this is my friend's. And so keep going. Keep going. That's the broom in there, but yeah, it's taking over this whole shelf, so it's fine. I have some like dried mint up here, and then behind that, this back corner is the lemon tree that I brought in this gorgeous pot. The other thing that's in a pot like this, but much bigger. Let's step over here in my shark slippers. Yes, I have shark slippers, don't judge me. I'd have to back up to get a good shot of this. So for reference, my boyfriend and our friend that lives with us, their models that they've been doing tell him to get a YouTube channel because he paints these and they look glorious, and I'm like, how? But so there's like my Eiffel Tower statue. That's the avocado plant. Like, this thing is not that small. That's my hand. I'm 6'1" for reference. That's the Eiffel Tower. That's the avocado tree. And you can imagine how heavy that was to lift up here on top of the entertainment center. I'll have to check this. The entertainment center gets super hot if it's been running all day, so I need to check this like probably every few days to make sure it doesn't get moldy, and if it does, then I'm gonna have to move it, just because I don't want mold to kill my avocado tree, but I also don't want winter to kill my avocado tree. Looking at the shark slippers again, because there is one more section. Over here in this mess, this chaos of like, this is the corner we don't speak about. We have Calais propagations, various colors. You see them all over here. The avocado tree that didn't want to live, but somehow is still green, so maybe it wants to live. We'll find out. And then my arrowhead vine, which is still like much smaller. I haven't given it as much love as I've given my friends, because I've just been like, like it seems to be like want to be left alone. That's it. So cut that. And now I'm going to take you, well, Peanut's also going to take you outside to what's going on right now. So I'm out. It's a little windy this morning. I'm sorry if you can't hear me. I don't have the mic on, but we're moving everything this morning. That's part of my November chores. So the iris is still out here that my mom gave me. I might have room for more, which is good. If mom has any more, if she doesn't, that's fine. So I'm gonna move all these calais to the corner by the door. We probably won't let the cats nearly out as much because it'll be colder. But if I do, I will just want like to have some coverage that they can hide around, because it's kind of pretty sparse out here right now that I've moved everything. I have to pick all of the basil because it's starting to die back, so I know, okay, it's the perfect time to go ahead and pick it, clean it, all that good stuff. There are scallions on this table right here. You can kind of see them in the corner that I need to go ahead and cut and like just basically leave the pot, let it do its thing. It's fairly windy today. It feels like winter, as I said, I think in the first part of the video. We're gonna pan over a little bit. You see these? I wish, you know what? I can't. I'm gonna back up so you can see how long these are. Those are the tomatoes that were growing over the side. I'm still going. That's the end of the tomato. I have to cut all of that off. That way I'll have that dirt for next year. But yeah, then the collard greens are still growing. This fern is still somehow alive. My mom's are like dying back. I don't know if that's because this one's hanging up. I'm curious to find out. But yeah, caleuses are going over in this corner. So yes, I've been moving stuff all morning already. This is really my biggest November chore, is just making sure that like I propagated what I wanted to in the apartment, or moved what I wanted to, including the mint. As you can see over here, the mint is now on the bar in our apartment. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This part will probably be sped up just because I apologize for what I'm wearing today, but you're gonna have to see the whole thing. So yeah, here we go. Okay, the basil is officially gone. So next project is either moving those caleuses to the corner, which I don't know that I've filmed because it's literally just me like picking them and moving them over there. And then, oh goodness, the project of the century, y'all. Cutting these tomatoes back and down. I'm gonna try to stuff the clippings on top of plants that are already out here and all that stuff, just to keep them warm and see how that goes. But yeah, let's do this. So I don't know if you can see him. Camera's kind of tilting. There's a little froggy friend. Apparently when I moved the calais, I moved part of his home. Sorry, bud. He's probably hiding from the cats because the cats will straight up trying to break them in the house. So before I get into those tomatoes, I wanted to show you. Hopefully he'll find another little hiding spot soon. But yeah, I moved the caleuses all the way over to the other side. I need to pick these scallions real quick and then cut back these tomatoes. my camera is about to die. But that's pretty much all I'm doing today, Garden Fam. I'm going to finish doing that, covering up the plants with the tomato cuttings, and yeah, that'll be everything. The irises are covered, things being broken down into compost, because, you know, letting to see if it dies or not or comes back. But yeah, I hope you have a beautiful week, and we'll see you next time.